Mohamed Hijab. As you're aware, recent events surrounding the Lady of Heaven film have revealed a deep-rooted hatred of Shia Muslims among your community, a serious issue that needs resolving. We saw the rage that spread across UK cinemas, the chants of infidel Shia, and the calling for the killing of Sheikh Yasser al-Habib in the very streets of the UK. We saw a demand for the film to be banned by prominent and supposed Islamic leaders such as Qari Asim, who was fired by the UK government for his stand against the film, as well as others like Dr. Ramzi and Dr. Idris. And we saw a demand for the film to be banned from organisations such as the Muslim Council of Britain and the Muslim Council of Scotland, as well as over 130,000 Muslims in the UK and countless others from your denomination of Islam. This entire mess has done nothing but reveal to the British public and the world at large the deep insecurities you have about your views on Islamic history and theology, revealing that which has always been the case, an inability to tackle the claims made by Shia Islam, and the need to, as always, revert to bully tactics of cancel culture, censorship, and demanding the permissibility of only your narrative with no critical opposition from within the Muslim world. With this in mind, we felt it only fair to offer you an opportunity to reclaim some of your dignity and to show the world that a Muslim from your denomination is able to have a civilized discussion on differences you may have with Shia Islam, and that you are able to intellectually validate your views in contrast with Shia beliefs. And I do wish to mention that not too long ago, as you may recall, we put out a debate challenge to Fareed Responds, also referred to as Big Fish. But we never did hear back from him. God only knows why. But whatever the reason, we weren't too surprised, as we've become accustomed to our debate challenges being turned down by your co-adherents. But now a fresh opportunity presents itself, and if you do reject, you'll just be another name on our list of non-respondents. So Mohamed Hijab, we put our debate challenge forward to you. But I should mention, I have noticed that you've been doing a lot of videos and interviews in the Arabic language lately.
لابد أن تكون هناك مساواة مطلقة بين الرجال والنساء في كل شيء إلا الرضاعة.
ممكن نقول أن الفترة التي جاءت من بعد الاستعمار، يعني طبعا الاستعمار الغربي،
النبي الأمي الذي يجدونه مكتوبا عندهم في التوراة والإنجيل، في آخر هذه الآية ذكر الله سبحانه وتعالى والنور الذي أنزل معه.
نجد في أمريكا حالات أكثر في قتل الخائن مما نجد حتى في الدول الإسلامية.
طيب ممكن يقول ما فيش مشكلة، ما خلي بقى إيه، خلي الحق يتعدد، ما فيش مشكلة. أقول لك لا.
And I'm pretty sure I can recall you making the following claim to the Shia.
If you want to have a real technical discussion, the person must be at least competent in extrapolating certain things. So we have now a placement test in place. Yeah, it's an oral examination of 3 questions, and you're welcome to do the same thing with us. Yeah, that whether it's like, you know what I'm saying, a black person, a white person, an Arab or non-Arab, they have to speak with us in Arabic for 3 minutes. Okay, so if you want to discuss,
you said it yourself. We're welcome to do the same thing with you. But we say, why just a 3-minute conversation in Arabic? I'm sure you wouldn't mind if we carried out this debate in the Arabic language. You know, in the very language this religion came down in. Let's have a full debate in Arabic. Wouldn't that be great? And don't worry, we'll cover the English translation so your audience won't miss a thing. I should warn you though, the guys over at FEDEC TV, as I'm sure you know, are a little rougher than us here at the Rafida Foundation. I mean, they have been taking on the Nasibis, Wahhabis and Salafis for a lot longer than we have after all. So if you do accept the challenge, good luck, my friend.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وترحم على عجزنا وأغثنا بحقهم وعجل فرجهم ولعن أعداءهم. ادعاء لطالما سمعناه من كهنة الطائفة البكرية أن الذي يطعن في الصحابة إنما يريد من ذلك الطعن في الإسلام في رسول الله صلى الله عليه وآله. قام هذا الادعاء على ما يسمى بنظرية عدالة الصحابة، والأخطر أن هنالك فتاوى رتبت على هذا الادعاء الذي هو أوهن من بيت العنكبوت. أفتى بعضهم بجلد أو حبس من ينتقد الصحابة، بل وصل بهم الأمر إلى تكفير منكر خلافة أبي بكر وعمر، كما هو معروف عند علماء الأحناف. لا تعجب لو قلت لك أن كل هذه الأحكام وهذه الفتاوى بنيت على شفا جرف هار، وأعني أن لا دليل لهم على ما يسمى بنظرية عدالة الصحابة. وإذا أردت أن تعرف سبب الهمجية التي رأيتها من الذين تظاهروا ضد فيلم سيدة الجنة، فعليك أن تغوص في كتب علماء هذه الطائفة لترى العجب العجاب. على هذا فأنا أتقدم وأدعو محمد حجاب إلى مناظرة علمية تتمحور حول سؤال: هل جميع الصحابة عدول؟ وأتحداه أن يقبل، لا لغرض التحدي، بل لأنه عقد المحاضرات وهاجم الشيعة الإمامية أعلى الله برهانهم ليثبت هذه النظرية المخرومة. وأرجو أن لا تولي الدبر وتكشف عورتك كما فعلها ابن النابغة في صفين. قال تعالى: بل نقذف بالحق على الباطل فيدمغه فإذا هو زاهق ولكم الويل مما تصفون والحمد لله رب العالمين.